So this is our stateroom. We just made it design. We're kind of relaxing right now. There it is. Chloe's creeping. Creeping out the door. Yeah, we're just chilling. Chloe is staying in an ocean view, the one I showed earlier. We're staying here. Chloe is staying in an ocean room. Right, Chloe? Yeah?
Yeah.
Except, you know, you have this up here. And then our refrigerator, I made sure to fully stock it with Red Bulls and Pepsi and wine. Pink Moscato. I've never had it, but I'll probably drink it. Yeah, we were just waiting on the last few people to do the muster station safety protocol. As soon as you like get on the on the cruise, go get something to eat. That's what we did. We went to Guys, no line. I think there was like 2 or 3 people in front of us, and then eat and then go down and do the muster station like as quick as possible. It's a 2-minute thing that they need to cover. It's just compliance and just to get it out the way, so you're not like the last people. They do start calling people out by name, so it's kind of embarrassing. But other than that, yeah, we're just chilling. We're gonna go up, probably gonna go up to the Lido deck and do like a sail away party. I think it's at 4-ish. So we finally got our luggage, and this is the plug that we use to charge everything, because it only has one outlet unless you're traveling from overseas. They have a European outlet over here. I don't know if you can see it, but yeah. So I'll leave a link. We got it on Amazon, right? So this is what it looks like. You can fit 3 regular USBs and then a USB-C, and then you have 3 outlets. And then we have our fan that we put in our carry-on, or not carry-on. It was a carry-on?
Yeah, you have to have it.
You have to have it in the carry-on. So it's a pretty good fan. It does its job. It'll stay cool in here. But yeah, just wanted to show you what we have right now. We'll have more, believe me. We'll definitely have more. I also forgot to say we got some strawberries, some chocolate covered strawberries. So yeah, we're gonna dip into that probably a little later, or right now. It depends on what the boss says.